on balance, I don't think it's a very positive development for those countries.
His concerns appear borne out by recent research. The World Bank estimates that in Africa alone, over 100 million young people will enter the labor market over the next 10 years. And that worldwide, over 60 million new jobs are required each year. Meanwhile, the march of the machines is simply irresistible. The sound you can hear is of computerized knitting machines buzzing away in a factory that once employed thousands more people. And it's not a factory in the wealthy developed world. It's in a country known for its cheap labor, especially in garment factories. Navidul Hook is the chief executive of Mohammadi Fashion Sweaters in Bangladesh.
It's happening all across the production chain.